behind the line. Match starts in 3, 2, 1, go.
And they're off in autonomous mode, and they move off of their starting line in order to gain points for what they have been pre-programmed to do. Number 6829, Ignite Robotics, is out there near the coral area. And with that sound, drivers take over the robots now as they move around the ocean floor. We have 6928 extended high above. We see 2974 Walton Robotics over there in the red coral area. I believe that is the Plutonium Panthers over on the blue side, trying to get coral into the area of the trough. Circuit Runner Robotics trying to get that high point value for putting coral on top of the reef, much the way that I believe Ignite Robotics did here on the red side. And Circuit Runner Robotics is again attempting to get that point value the highest it can be, which is 5 points if they put a piece of coral on the top row of the reef. Now we see 2974 Walton Robotics trying to pick up a piece of algae and get it to one of our processor areas. 6829, excuse me now. That's Ignite Robotics with a piece of coral trying to get it into the reef area. On the highest level, they are unsuccessful with that shot. They missed that one. With just under a minute remaining in the match. Score of 8-9 in favor of the Blue Alliance. Very match that's very close in points at the moment. .6829 with a piece of coral headed for the reef area. And they are successful to get that piece of coral onto the reef by Ignite Robotics, giving 5 points to the Red Alliance. That sonar sound means we are now in the final end game time. 1629 does that again for the Red Alliance. Now the bots will begin to move toward the barge zone so that they can be in that area when the timer goes off and receive those points. Last minute attempt by the Ignite Robotics team is unsuccessful there at the end. We have an unofficial score of 18-9. We will await the final word from the judges and the officials. And the final scores are in. And in qualifying match number 19, the Red Alliance wins. Congratulations to Walton Robotics, Ignite Robotics, and Team Wire for a score of 20-15. Qualifying match number 20 will begin in just a moment.